Hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Ioana, Chiorean, mostly I use only Ioana. I understand Italian, so you could introduce me in Italian, no problem, but I cannot reply. I'm a Mozilla Rep located in Romania, and I'm part of the council that manages this program in Mozilla. I will talk today about what Mozilla is, Okay, the other way. Yeah, I move forward all the time. So I will talk today about what Mozilla is, just a few words, and I will add more details about two programs that Mozilla developed, WebMaker and Mozilla Reps. So Mozilla, it's a big community that believes that openness, innovation, and opportunity are the key to have an open web and a better one. The mission that we strive to follow up is that we have to keep the web open. We have to give everybody a chance to have a secure experience over the web and try to innovate it all the time. So probably you know Mozilla for our best product, which is Firefox. And I'm proud to say that 15 years ago, Mozilla set free the code for the first browser and changed a bit the world. In that moment, there were only proprietary programs out there, and we give a chance to everybody so they can enter the web and have an experience there. Things change over the time, and Mozilla is now more than just a browser. People are starting to develop over our browser more add-ons, more tools for developer, easy to understand. We created other programs to help you more secure. We try to assure you that your personal data is not taken by others. We are developing collusion to protect you for others that take your data over the internet. But nowadays we saw that this is not enough because the experience changed. Everybody, if I'm looking in the room now, it's with a smartphone on in hand. If it's not a smartphone, it's for sure a tablet or a laptop. So the experience to enter the web changed from browsers from the desktop side to the mobile ones. So we said, okay, we are protecting our users from the desktop PCs. What shall we do for the user from the mobile web? So 2 years ago, we started creating a browser for the mobile users. We started with the Xul version, and we also had a product for MyMO, but Nokia decided to change its way. So today we have the browser only for Android devices. Having a browser to enter the web is not enough nowadays. Your experience has to be enriched, and also not everybody can afford a smartphone, unfortunately. So we adopted a new challenge. I see smiles in the room, and that makes me happy because I see you recognize the new logo for the Firefox OS, which is the open operating system that Mozilla developed and announced this year. So we are developing an operating system for your smartphones. We are trying to do this in an open way, and so we can create a cheaper version of a smartphone that gives you the same experience as using an expensive device. At the moment, Firefox OS is not designed to compete with iPhones, with iOS, or with Android, because we are striving to make a change in the countries that, again, do not afford such expensive devices. So our main focus now is in like Latin America or countries like Poland in Europe, Serbia and Montenegro. I'm sure that like in a year we will be at the top of the devices. We created the browser, we created a good experience for the mobile web. So what can we do forward for our users? They are just sleepy users? No, that didn't make us happy. So we are now trying to make them as developers on their own, so they can create their own experience over the web. In this way, we developed WebMaker, which tries to learn people how to use the web, how to create it, from starting a web page till the content that you should post it on there. So for this, we developed several tools, and you can see them on our page. It's Timbal, X-ray goggles, and popcorn makers. Timbal, it helps you create the website. Popcorn creates videos enriched with a lot of data from your social life. And X-ray goggles are destined for kids mostly, also to create web. So as I said, Popcorn is just a simple tool to create your videos in, and as you can see in this interface, it's very easy to add things like Vimeo, SoundCloud, YouTube, links, Twitter, or even a map. If I wanted to create a slide to present OpenCamp, I will just add a link to Wikipedia or to the website. I will add the Google Maps to be easier to find it. It took me 10 minutes from the station. So it will be really easy to make a video with all the data that you need to transfer to people. Okay, so you have now the content. What can I do with it? So you can go to Timble and start using a project from the beginning, or if you have some knowledge, I bet you have. So you can start here. As you can see on the right side, my right side, your left, is the code that is very, very detailed, explained about what each line represents, so people can understand and learn from it. And in the left side, your right one, is displayed the content of the web page. In this way, in the time you are creating the page, you can see the result of it. No delay, sorry. Okay, so we have the idea. We are happy about it. We have the tools, twice as happy. But what can we do with them? How can we change the world by making users to create webs? We have Mozillians. We have Mozillians around the world. Let's take advantage and use them. Use them is not the best word, but it really, really helps out having people around the world helping Mozilla. So we created an official program that supports our Mozillians in each country they have. This program is called Mozilla Reps. You can find more information on the page. In few words, it's a program that supports our Mozillians, as I said, encourage them to be representative in their local communities, giving them a chance to have easy access to swag or easy access to information, presentations, slides, everything that is used. I have to thank Chris for these slides. The background is made from Mozilla, and it's used all around the world for Mozilla Reps evangelism. So, as I said, these are the main concerns that a rep have to follow. And if you complete this, or if you feel like you're already doing this, I really encourage you to support Mozilla by becoming a rep. The Mozilla Rep program is based, as I said, with Mozillans all around the world. Some of them with more experience are becoming mentors and try to have more mentees supporting them. If a new guy wants to enter Mozilla, but he doesn't know all the things from the wikis, all the pages that we have, all the tools that we have, all the history in the back, his mentor will guide him through this first beginning experience. And all the program is managed by 9 people, 2 employees and 7 volunteers, as I am, as a Mozilla Rep councils. We ensure that our mentors and mentee have access to all the data again, and we help them going to conferences, give them swag to give to people, having cool t-shirts like I have. You can see here the map of our reps. As I said, they are really all over the world. We have a community even in Antarctica, so please follow Mozilla Antarctica. And we have a lot of events. You can see here now the map of the event, and I probably choose the OpenCamp event that we are today. So we have more than 360 reps, which developed in 2 years more than 900 events. This is a huge step forward for Mozilla. It's a huge step forward for the web, because through all these events, reps dedicated their time to create new users, secure ones, trying to learn people how to use the web and how to create a good and safe one. We have 27 mentors, and as I said, they are managed by 9 council members, and we truly believe that the next candidate can be each one of you. So, okay, I've talked to you about WebMaker, I've talked to you about reps, how these 2 things go together. Like this. This is a picture we took in Athens when we had the training for WebMaker mentors, and we started a program now called Teach the Web. If you follow this hashtag on the Twitter, you can see there people sending tweets about their experience, or some people replying to give help to others. This is me again. You can write me, tweet me, and you can find the slides on GitHub. Thank you.